Alright kidala, welcome to Scouse School Exchange. We're all about celebrating Liverpool life, the culture, the humour, the people. But here's the thing, Liverpool's story isn't just told by those born here, it's written by the amazing people who've come from all over the world to work and live here, especially our international recruits here at the Trust. That's where Scouse School Exchange comes in. It's a chance for us to swap stories, share experiences and build real connections, one conversation at a time. I will be doing that with something called the Human Library. In this library, the books are people, real people with powerful stories to tell. You don't borrow a book, you borrow a conversation. And instead of reading, you listen, you learn and you ask questions. Our books will be international colleagues who want to share what it's been like to move here, work in the NHS and experience Liverpool life. But here's the important bit, we want every book to feel safe and respected. That means they choose what part of their story to share. They say which topics are off limits and they'll give you a list of questions they're happy to answer. Is that sound? The Human Library is about connection without judgment. So whether you're a book or a reader, you're part of something special, building understanding across cultures, accents and stories. Join us for the Scouse School Exchange and be part of a human library that's truly worth checking out. Now that we know what the Human Library is all about, let's get stuck in. See you in a bit. Ta-da! 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 Ta-da!